We have $5,000 in our balance, and we're going to see where we can go with the 1-minute classic candle strategy that I call the Hitman strategy. And that's because we locate a target, we go in, execute, and leave. And it's super simple. We're just using support or resistance and a trend line. We're going to wait out the 55 seconds. And again, this is the point of making sure that you enter in the right place. So let's pull back and look at this. Although our trades are sitting on top of where I want to show you, my original resistance was here and we moved it up, and now it really should have been right here. And that's the entire point that I was trying to explain to you, that you have to take your trades in the right place. Hopefully I get all of these. If not, we'll at least hedge and still come out on top. We started with 5,000. We're currently at 2083. All right, we won $2,022. Here is a perfect place for me to explain this. Take a horizontal line. We're gonna make it darker so you can see it. Look at that. You can see right here, I actually want 2 of these. You see that price came up and it touched there and it didn't keep on going. If you go over this way, you can see that we have multiple touches. That is a very, very strong zone. Now, because I was talking, I did not take the trade. Just for explaining this, you can physically see that every single time that it came up and touched this line, this top one, it did not continue further, right? Look at this wick right here. Look at these candles right here. I actually do want to take a 5-second trade. If this comes down and touches this, we're going to trade here. But definitely need to be aware that these zones matter. And if you don't take them in the right place, it's really going to hurt your trades, and you don't want to do that. And I did have to recoup 1 or 2 right there. If you want to learn about the Hitman strategy, I created an entire program based off of it to allow you to leave your 9 to 5 using this. It's a full program. It's not just a stupid strategy. This works for anyone regardless of experience. It is recession proof, layoff proof, and inflation proof. Nobody can take this from you. Make sure you smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, because I'm going to teach you how to trade, and I will see you later.